Hello everyone, we are group Blue Whales with the product Sound Activated LED Light. We come from Class CC03 of Mr. Zheng Hainan. Our group have 5 members. Đặng Thị Mai Phương, the leader, Đỗ Minh Quân, Đỗ Tấn Quý are the ones that participate in making the product. Lê Đắc Quang is who helped with the review and finding information, and me, Nguyễn Hoàng Quân, the secretary. Now, I will introduce about our product. This is the sound activated LED light. So firstly, what is it? It is a kind of light that made from Arduino Techno and can be turned on and by using sound instead of switch. And second, what is the difference? You can adjust the brightness of the light optionally by turning a small knob on. Besides, it's easy to move the product around since it has a small shape and can be bring by your side to anywhere. Next, we're gonna find out how to make it. We use an electrical circuit and an Arduino Techno to make the light work. Now my friend Minh Quân will talk about that process in details.
Hello everyone, my name is Minh Quân, a member of Group 6. Today I will represent my group to introduce to you about our group's project. It is a sound activating LED light. So many of you will have the question that why is sound activating. So let's move to the usage and the benefits of these lights. Sound activating system helps people to save time and effort when they need to control the lights, like turn on and turn off them. Just imagine how convenient it is for you when a light can be turned on just by voice or clap when you're still sitting on a sofa or lying on the bed, without having to find a switch. Or just when you appear, the lights in the hallways and stairs have already been lit. These sound-activated LED lights can also be used in special places like storerooms and dark areas where on-off switches are not visible and easily accessible. Because of this benefit, it is also very helpful for specific people like children, elderly people, and also people with disabilities. Because these lights can allow such people to turn on and turn off the light by themselves without having to find a switch and asking for people to turn on and off for them, especially at night. And these lights can also be used in libraries as sound lamps, which help people to keep quiet in the libraries. The most important thing of these lights is that no electrical wires required, combined with the fact that people don't have to move to have the lights on and off. Helps people to avoid electrical accidents, such as falling off the wire or being shocked. Therefore, safety is assured. And the last thing, why is LED? Because of less long service life, it can last up to 11 years compared to energy-saving lamps which have a service life of less than a year. Moreover, LEDs are now the most efficient lighting devices. According to the research, 80% of the vitality that is dropped into the gadget is changed into the light, while just 20% of them is converted into heat. So now let's move to the operation method. So the method is quite simple because it all depends on the sound sensor here. The sound sensor is the light module with the main role of detecting sound at a certain intensity in the surrounding environment. So because of the pandemic, our team decided to make the library light because first of all it is small, the next thing is that it is cheap, and also the last one is its parts are very easily found, which is suitable in this situation. Ông vặn cái đó trước đi. Cái này là điều chỉnh đèn. Ok, rồi ông vỗ. Okay. So, you have seen the final product of our group. Due to the current situation of COVID-19, our team cannot meet each other to have further development of the project. As you can see, the light has not been decorated yet, and it still has to have 2 boards of Arduino. However, as soon as the pandemic is over, we will take time to improve this self-activating LED light as well as search more about the appliances that can be applied with a self-activating system. Thank you for listening.
And now we switch to the part how to use it. As you can see the way my friend turned on the light. You can just clap your hands or make any noise, then it will automatically turn on for you. Then you can turn the knob to your ideal brightness. And last but not least, what is the point in using LED lights? Now, at the time when we have to face with the pandemic, COVID-19, which makes us reduce direct contact with public things, this product with no switch help us deal with it. By the way, the light can save electricity in case we forget to turn it off. Thank you for listening.